She's biting her. That's hilarious. Hola, hola, hola. We got Gloria, Vanero, Raymond. What's up, Raymond? Jim. Howdy there, Mr. Jim. Hey, come back. Gloria Ramirez. How y'all doing? Believe it or not, they like eating corn, even though it's not too good for them. Linda 77, shout out to you, gal. Shout out to you, darling. They like eating corn because it's easy to pick it up, but sunflower seeds are not that bad either for them. Highly nutritious. Well, not a whole lot of people are saying much, if not anything. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Are you guys not enjoying the content? Give it a dislike if you can. Or write